In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin using PayPal in Canada. By the way, later I'll show you guys the best way for even complete beginners to buy, sell, store, and exchange crypto. You don't want to miss that, so watch this video to the end. First, open the PayPal app. At the top, you'll see your PayPal balance and your crypto balance, which may be zero if you haven't purchased any crypto yet. To buy Bitcoin, go to the Finances tab at the bottom of the screen. At the top, you'll see your balances for your PayPal funds, savings, and crypto. PayPal allows you to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. You'll typically use your PayPal balance for purchases, which you can also transfer to and from your bank. Next, tap the Crypto tab and select Buy. From the list, choose Bitcoin. Keep in mind that PayPal's rates may not be the most efficient compared to other platforms, but it's a convenient way to purchase Bitcoin directly from your account. For example, we'll buy a small amount, like $1, to demonstrate. Tap Next and select your funding source, in this case your PayPal balance. PayPal will show you how much Bitcoin you'll receive, the current rate, and the transaction fee. For small amounts, the fee may seem high, but this is just an example. Once everything looks correct, tap Buy. Your purchase is complete, and you'll now see your Bitcoin balance in your crypto wallet. From here, you can buy more, sell your balance, or even send your Bitcoin to another wallet if needed. You can also set notifications for price changes or manage alerts for your holdings. This makes it easy to keep track of your crypto investments directly from PayPal, without needing a separate app. As promised, if you're looking for the easiest way to buy, sell, store, and swap crypto, I recommend checking out Rock Wallet. It's a super cool app that lets you stay in complete control of your crypto, since it's non-custodial. Even if you've never bought any kind of cryptocurrency before, and you're not tech-savvy at all, Rock Wallet will walk you through it, step by step. You can install the app for free, using the link in the description below. If you would like help installing Rock Wallet and creating your account, click the video showing up on your screen. It's a detailed tutorial walking you through the exact steps to setting up and using Rock Wallet.